In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way to arrange your stickers so that you use your 6.5 by 9.25 space the best you can. So what you're going to do, you already have all the images that you want to print and cut, and then you're going to go to shapes. You're going to do a square. Then you're going to unlock it. You're going to go here 6.5, and right here you're going to go 9.25, and there you have it. So now what you're going to do, you're going to start arranging your images, and what you're going to do, you're going to right click and you're going to send it to front to go ahead and start arranging them like right there. Then all of them need to be changed to it, because if you put it like that, then it's going to be in the back. So you're going to go front like right there, and then you probably want to just front right there, and then front right here, and then you're going to start putting them to this side, and then so we can put like one right here, right there. I think I can put this one to the side, so this one is going to fit right there, and then this one is going to fit right there, and then we have this one right in there, and we have the little one go to center front right there, and there you have it. So there you have all your stickers ready. So now what you're going to do, you're going to grab this here and you're going to get rid of it, and then you're going to grab all of them, and then you're going to go down to attach right in here. So then when you go to make, you go to make, and there they are. So you do the process of printing and cutting, and there is done. So I'm going to put some links in the description box of the paper, the sticker 8.5 by 11 paper that I use, and another few things that you might be interested on. But listen, you guys, that's all for me today. I hope this little hack helps you tremendously. Other than that, may the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.